Hey everybody, so we're here in the garage at my parents' place. Today is the first reveal of actual ceiling fans installed, as well as a couple other improvements that I've made to the space. So I'll just show you what I've done and then I'll run through a standard demonstration of the fans themselves. So first of all, I replaced the porcelain sockets with fluorescent strip lights. I redid the spacing a little bit because they weren't equal distances from each other before, and that would have been a little bit strange with the addition of the fans. So after I got the lights up, I measured new spacing for the fans in between them, cut those holes in, put in fan rated boxes, and then there's a light right above here in the attic that I was able to steal power from, and I fished new wiring down the wall. I went with 3-speed controls to keep them a little bit quieter. I will say that this one has a little bit of a bad spot where it's noisy. It actually does get better if you run it on high for a little bit, and it's gotten progressively better as it's continued to run. But these haven't been running today prior to this video, so it will be a little bit noisy. These controls labeled for Ace, I think they're actually made by Cooper, actually produce a pretty nice range of speeds. You can see I also relocated the light switch here from where it was. I would have put the fan controls at the same level as the existing switch, except for the fact that we're building this new decking system so that my mom can transfer easily from the house to the car. This is still a bit of a work in progress as well, but with that in place now, I figured it would be the perfect time to move everything up to the standard 48-inch height. So that's pretty much it there. One other project that I'm gonna do is add a couple LED discs along this pathway that'll come on with a motion sensor. Typically, if I'm here in the evenings, I leave after dark, and I find it a little bit difficult to navigate this ramping system with my hands usually full. So we're thinking just having a couple of lights that would pop on and then go off a minute after I leave would be perfect. So that project will be coming soon. I might put some of that in the vlog or something, or at least show it. So those are the main things happening out here for now. With you all caught up, I'm gonna move into the demonstration now. Thank you all so much for watching today, and I will see you soon.